Hey guys, welcome you all. So finally, काफी वेट करने के बाद now the CUET releases its form. So application process start हो चुका है guys. Okay, 21st of Jan. CUET, the Christ University Entrance Test 2023. सारे application process start हो चुके हैं. Now watch this particular video till the end. Step by step, complete form filling process. Guys, first of all, grab each and every details. So stop, think about it, and later on decide to fill the form. First of all, किस पर्टिकुलर प्रोग्राम के लिए आप जाना चाहते हो गाइस? देयर आर लॉट ऑफ प्रोग्राम्स, बीबीए, बीकॉम, बीए एंड लॉट मोर प्रोग्राम्स आर देयर. सो गाइस, क्राइस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी को लेकर डिटेल वीडियो मैंने बना रखे हैं. यू विल गेट द प्लेसमेंट स्टैट्स, the seat intake and each and every details on our YouTube channel. So subscribe it and get latest update with respect to the CUET, the Christ University entrance test, and also the all information about the strategies to crack the CUET. So guys, if you want a preparation, then you can join our batches. We are already started the batches. You can interact live with us, and even you can join our classroom sessions at Mumbai. So want a preparation for IPMAT, ZipMAT, SET, NPAT, CUET, CUCET, that is the Central University Common Entrance Test, okay, which is also termed as CUET, St. Xavier's for 2023-24. Here you will get the mentorship, complete motivation, thoroughly cognitive effects, and complete guidance about the selection process criteria. Either they include VAT, PI, or the extempore part in case of CUET, the micro presentation. Yes guys, so call on 8828581454 or visit our website manoeuvreedu.com/bb entrance. So first of all, take a buffer time of 1 or 2 days, grab each and every details about the courses, about the eligibility criteria, actual process, form filling steps, and then start form filling. Okay guys, एक भी अगर आपने mistake कर दी, then your form will not be valid. Okay, and competition going tougher each year. So you can see over here the admission guidelines 2023 and 24. Just click over here, and this is one particular PDF file. You have to go through it. Okay, so it says the important notice about the Christ University. प्रोसेस क्या होने वाला है, कैसे आप अप्लाई कर सकते हो. Christ does not authorize any third party agents, individuals to offer admission on its behalf. So जो कुछ भी होने वाला है ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट पर ही होने वाला है. हाउ टू अप्लाई फॉर क्राइस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी? इफ यू आर न्यू यूजर, ओके, बस आपको एडमिशंस पर क्लिक करना है. दे आफ्टर एप्लीकेशन स्टेटस पर, दे आफ्टर रजिस्टर, एंटर पासवर्ड, चूज रिस्पेक्टिव प्रोग्राम, अपलोड फोटोग्राफ एंड पे द एप्लीकेशन फीस. बहुत सिंपल प्रोसेस है गाइस. Okay, if you are existing user, then you have to log in, and same procedure you have to follow. Okay, so now come over here, you can click on admissions, thereafter undergraduate and postgraduate program. Click on undergraduate programs. Here you can see the respective schools. Okay, now with respect to the BBA program, School of Business and Management, यहाँ मैंने select कर लिया. Okay, these all are the respective programs. Here I choose the respective school, and you can see over here. Okay, Bachelor of Business Administration, BBA, Decision Science, Honors or Honors with Research. So 21st of Jan से application process start हो चुका है. It will last up to 30th April 2023. So काफी टाइम है आपके पास सोचने के लिए किस पर्टिकुलर प्रोग्राम के लिए जाना है, उस प्रोग्राम के पैरामीटर्स क्या है, प्रोग्राम का करिकुलम क्या होने वाला है, क्या एक्सपोजर होने वाला है, क्या इंटर्नशिप होने वाली है, या फिर प्लेसमेंट पैकेजेस कैसे होने वाले, क्या फी स्ट्रक्चर होने वाली है. कंप्लीट डिटेल्स आपको पहले गैदर कर लेनी है और उसके बाद अप्लाई करना है. सो ये वीडियो एंड तक जरूर देखना है गाइस. ओके, नाउ चेक एलिजिबिलिटी फर्स्ट, फिर मुझे फीस भी चेक करनी है. सो एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया सेज 60% मार्क्स एट 10+2 लेवल, चाहे आप साइंस से हो, कॉमर्स हो, ओके, विथ मैथमेटिक्स और स्टैटिस्टिक्स और कंप्यूटर साइंस एज वन ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट्स फ्रॉम एनी बोर्ड. ओके, कैंडिडेट्स राइटिंग +2 एग्जामिनेशन इन मार्च में, that means appearing candidate can also apply with their 10th and 11th marks. Okay, and also the NRI candidates, they can also apply. Okay, now so अब आपको कोई भी रिस्पेक्टिव प्रोग्राम चूज करना है. गाइस सी, अगर आप अलग अलग कैंपसेस चूज करते हो देन फी स्ट्रक्चर विल बी डिफरेंट. लेकिन हाँ, एक कैंपस से आप एक प्रोग्राम चूज करते हो देन फीस विल बी डिफरेंट. ओके, काफी सारे स्टूडेंट्स पूछ रहे हैं कि सर 4000, 5000, 6000 का फिगर दिखाई दे रहा है. गाइस, इट्स जस्ट कि आप रिस्पेक्टिव प्रोग्राम्स को सेलेक्ट कर रहे हो. ओके, इन डिटेल बात करेंगे, डोंट वरी. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द फी स्ट्रक्चर. सो फी स्ट्रक्चर यहाँ मुझे क्लियर, ओके, यहाँ मेंशन हो चुकी. अगर आप कर्नाटका रेसिडेंट हो देन 2,10,000, अदर इंडियन स्टेट्स के कैंडिडेट हो देन 2,30,000 पर ईयर. ओके, एंड फॉर एनआरआई कैंडिडेट 3 लाख रुपीज. ओके, नाउ क्लिक ओवर अप्लाई. सो बेंगलुरु सेंट्रल कैंपस के लिए मैं अप्लाई कर रहा हूँ. नाउ वेरी सिंपल प्रोसेस, रजिस्टर योरसेल्फ, वेरीफाई ईमेल और ओटीपी, fill application form, upload photograph and pay application fees. काफी simple process है. So first of all click on register, enter your name, thereafter email ID, enter password and register. Please verify the registered name as per the class 10th record. Okay, जो भी class 10th के आपके marksheet पर जैसा name mention है, if surname first then write as per the records. Okay, change of name will not be accepted after registration. Okay, so confirm it. Now please enter the verification code which you have received in your registered email. Done. Okay, now you are looking for the undergraduate programs, right? So your name mention hai, email ID is mentioned. Okay, cancellation policy is also there. If you want support you can message over here. Okay, you can choose all these programs: BCom Financial Analytics, BBA, BLLB, BBLLB, BSc Data Science, BSc Economics and Analytics. Lot of programs are there. Okay, through all these respective campuses. See, Lavasa campus and Delhi NCR, and the three at the Bangalore one. Okay, so undergraduate program. And now see, programs offered in Bannerghatta Road campus with star mark and hashtag programs offered in Kengiri campus. Now let's choose the program. Now here you will get all the programs from the respective campuses, not only for one campus but from all other campuses. So now choose your respective program. Now I will go for School of Business and Management. So Bannerghatta Road campus, BBA Finance and International Business, honors with research. Okay, now this is with respect to the new education policy. Okay guys, and here there are various policies about the exit policy, so don't worry at all. Okay, BBA honors with research, Bangalore Kengeri campus, you can also select these one. Okay, so select your campus first. If you want to apply for other campuses too, then आपको हर एक कैंपस के लिए अप्लाई करना होगा, एंड देन द एप्लीकेशन फी विल बी डिफरेंट. ओके, सो मैं यहाँ चूज कर लेता हूँ बीबीए ऑनर विथ रिसर्च बैंगलोर कैंगरी कैंपस. ओके, सो अप्लाई ऑनलाइन. द प्रोसेस विल बी सेम फॉर ईच कैंपस. ओके, नाउ get some basic information over here: guidelines, terms and condition, detailed application process, then payment. Very simple process. Okay, so enter your date of birth, mobile number and continue. So dear applicant, you can pay the non-refundable application processing fee, okay, for the preferred program through online payment gateway. So just accept over here. Okay, now the actual form filling starts. Statement of understanding, सब कुछ समझ में आ गया है. Okay, it's okay. Just click over here and accept it. Now select gender, email ID, enter, country, apply through overseas sponsor, NRI, yes, no, do you have Aadhaar card, yes or no, select accordingly. Optional Aadhaar number is optional. Okay, select blood group, participated in sports, extracurricular activity, if yes, select yes over here. Differently able, no. Second language, just click on save on draft if you want to edit it later also. Okay, अगर आपको फाइनल सबमिशन नहीं करना है देन ये सारी इंफॉर्मेशन को आप सेव एज ए ड्राफ्ट कर सकते हो. सो वेन एवर यू लॉग इन ये सारी डिटेल्स फिल रहेगी. ओके गाइज, नाउ बर्थ प्लेस, रिलीजन, select category. Okay, belongs to rural or urban, select it. Country code, area code and phone number. Thereafter mother tongue. Passport number optional, passport issuing country, okay, valid up to, resident permit number, date of resident permit obtained from commissioner of police. ये सारे optionals है. Okay, so don't worry, no need to fill the details. Okay, address line, enter your address over here. Is permanent address same? Click over yes. Okay, thereafter educational information. So now if you pass 12th then 12th की details यहाँ enter करनी है. If you are appearing candidate then enter 11th class detail. Okay, so let's fill these details. Select board, it's CBSE or state or the board, NIOS, SSC, SSLC, the state board. Okay, name of institution, select other and write it over here. State of institution. Okay, number of attempts 1. Okay, year of passing, select year, month of passing, Now, please enter the obtained marks in the field. In case if the marks are in credit or CGPA, convert it into percentage and enter. Okay. So कैसे करना है? You have to multiply it with by 9.5. Just simple. Multiply the obtained CGPA with 9.5. Else the marks will be void. Example: if you have obtained 9.2, multiply it with 9.5, which is 87.4. Okay. So काफी simple है. Obtained marks, maximum marks. Okay, the max marks of all subjects should be entered here. For example, 5 subjects, then out of 100 enter 500. Please enter 100 if it is converted to percentage. अगर आप percentage mention कर रहे हो यहाँ, then enter percentage. Max 100. Okay, if you entering marks, then enter obtained marks and max and maximum mark. Okay, done. Now class 11th or class 12th. So exam name Maharashtra board. Okay, university board, it's again the state board, same यहाँ नाम रखना है. Name of institution, other, you can type over here. Country of institution, again the same details you have to fill. Okay, थोड़ा lengthy process जरूर है guys, but it's quite easy. Number of attempts, again let's select one. Year of passing, now here I'm selecting 2021. If I'm selecting 2023, that means I'm appearing candidate. So 2022 में जो मैंने 11th पास किया है उसी के मार्क्स मुझे यहाँ एंटर करने. ओके, प्रीवियस एग्जाम रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर. नाउ चेक योर मार्कशीट. ओके, obtained marks same as of 10th mark details. Now obtained marks, maximum marks, backlogs in previous semester, year to be cleared, no. Okay, now parent info, select income per annum, income currency, email id not mandatory. Okay, education, occupation, annual income. Okay, these are not star marked, so it's not mandatory. Okay, now parent guardian address, select mobile number, and there how did you know about the institution? Friends, relatives, school, alumni. Okay, advertisement, जो कुछ भी आप select कर सकते हो. Select others, simple. Now upload the photo. So it should be 35 mm into 45 mm. Okay, white background photograph in jpg format, less than 100 kb. Choose file, select photo and submit. See, mother income is required. Please upload jpg format image only. Okay, so now we have to fill the respective details जो हमने miss कर दिए. Okay, annual income. Okay, select over not applicable. ठीक है, and choose file and submit. Now please verify the application form details before submission. Okay, later on you can't edit any information. Okay, so जो भी आपको information edit करनी है अभी करना है. Okay, so this is my detailed application form. Okay, so I will check it and thereafter will submit. Okay, so detailed application form submitted. Now payment. Okay, so select the venue, interview entrance venue selection. So interview will be online. Okay, so जो भी interview process होगा guys, it will be completely online. आपको कहीं visit नहीं करना है. Okay, date now 14th of April and 5th of May, 2 dates. Although Christ University काफी सारे rounds conduct करता है, but now this year only 2 rounds are there. First one, it is in April. Okay, 14th of April, and second one on 5th of May. Okay, so you can select any one. I selected here 14th of April. Okay, I agree and choose the payment method. Amount 1500 rupees. Okay, program BBA honors with research. Okay, Bangalore Kengiri campus. Okay, so now accept. So now accept and pay online. That's it. This is the complete process guys. अब यहाँ पेमेंट कर दोगे and जो आपका एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म है वो सबमिट हो जाएगा. That's it. काफी सिंपल प्रोसेस है. Now if you have any doubts and queries in your mind, then ask me in the below comment section. Okay, and if you want particular videos, then guys do mention in the comment section. And yeah, most important one, if you like the video, hit the like button and share it to all of your friends. Want preparation? Then join our classroom coaching at Mumbai. Call our respective numbers and book your seat at Borivali, Vasai and Dadar Center. And want to interact live with us, and call on 8828 5814 55 or 54. For all exam updates and notifications, follow our social media handles such as YouTube, Facebook, Insta, and you can also join our Telegram group. So that's all from my side. All the best for your careers. See you in the next video.